KoogluPooglu. Hey guys, today we're gonna learn the TH sound, the consonant digraph, and the TH family words, the soft TH and the hard TH word. So first, we're gonna learn about the soft TH, the th breath sound, also known as soft. Here we go. Th and ank, which create thank. I thank you. Here we got th and ink, and they create think. I'm thinking. Th and ick create the word thick. Wow, that's pretty thick. Then we got th and ing, which create thing. Look at that thing. Here we got th and rust, which create thrust. Alright guys, we're gonna go full thrust on our airplane. Here we got th and in, and then which creates thin. Wow, that's pretty thin. Then we got th and ud, which create thud. Ow, that hurt. Th and rill create thrill. That was such a thrill ride. T and th create, what do you brush? Your teeth. Hey, my teeth are dirty. Let me brush. Shh. Th and create thump. Thump. That was a close one. The hammer almost fell on me. Here we got pa and th, which create path. Here we got fe and th, which create faith. I like my faith. Ma and th, the subject I really do not like in school, math. Then we got ba and th, which create bath. I love taking a bath, but in a big tub. Now we got th and rob, which create throb. Sort of like Rob. Bow and th create both. I like both of them. Now we're gonna learn the hard TH voice sound. The and M create them. Look at them, ha ha ha. Th and N create then. Cliffhanger, then. Th and is create this. Th and at create that. th and an create than. Th and us create thus. Then we have th and a, which create they. They are doing something very bad. Here we got th and e's, which create these. Look at these toys. Mouth and th create mouth. Look at my big mouth.
Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.